Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.54. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently situated in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which may represent an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $130.10 be breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 62.69% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 60.20% to 82.23%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 409.67%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 294.69% and 463.74% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $521.46 and $744.81. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Palantir stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Palantir stock price gained 1.1% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, rising from $130.68 to $132.12. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.61%, with a day low at $130.20 and a day high of $133.60. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days. However, it is still down by 4.4% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 32 million shares, with a total of 59 million shares bought and sold for approximately $7.85 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $148.22, while the lowest price was $21.23. Currently, the price is 10.86% or $16.10, below the 52-week high of $148.22, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, trading under the ticker PLTR, is making headlines today, reflecting its dynamic stature in the tech landscape. As of July 2nd, 2025, Palantir has been recognized as one of the top-performing stocks in the S&P 500, boasting a staggering 1,403% return over the past 3 years and up approximately 90% in the first half of 2025 alone. In a significant development, Palantir's AI platform is showing robust growth, contributing to a 71% surge in U.S. commercial operations. This uptick is attributed to increased enterprise deals and effective training bootcamps aimed at accelerating AI adoption among businesses. However, it's noteworthy that Palantir is now trailing behind competitors like Anthropic, which recently achieved a rapid $4 billion annual revenue milestone, signaling a competitive shift in the AI space. Additionally, Palantir's partnership with the Blue Forge Alliance to launch the Warp Speed for Warships initiative is set to enhance the U.S. Navy's maritime industrial capabilities, indicating its strong foothold in government contracts. In recent discussions around AI development, analysts express confidence in Palantir's ongoing growth trajectory, yet potential volatility due to economic conditions remains a concern. The combination of impressive growth rates and strategic partnerships suggests a promising future for Palantir, although keeping an eye on competitive pressures will be crucial for investors. In the short term, this performance could lead to bullish sentiment, while in the long run, sustaining this growth amidst fierce competition will be key to maintaining investor confidence. Analyst ratings are as follows. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Goldman Sachs rated PLTR as neutral with a hold recommendation. Also on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup provided a neutral rating for PLTR, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On the same day, Loop Capital Markets rated PLTR as buy with a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating, also with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Palantir stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, June 26, 2025, and so far it has fallen 8.41%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Palantir stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is concurrently a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $137.18. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $131.68. A breakout through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will generate a sell signal. It is noteworthy that volume declined during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 55 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at 131.78, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.40 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.61%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.26%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 14 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $136.32. if you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $131.78. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of June, 2025, Buckley Jeffrey executed an insider purchase of 21,850 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman carried out an insider sale of 7,335 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman also made an insider purchase of 7,335 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of June 2025, Sankar Shyam performed an insider purchase of 375,000 shares of Class B common stock. On that same day, Sankar Shyam executed an insider sale of 405,000 shares of Class B common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 8.201. In total, insiders have purchased 4,410,650 shares and sold 5,176,691 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $124.75, indicating a decline of 5.58%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are currently negative, which we believe will impact the stock's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we feel that the current price presents a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will increase over the next 3 months. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of July, we anticipate that Palantir will open lower by approximately 14 cents, starting at $131.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.